ipang-off yung mga camera. Ilang, total nila naman po ninyo. Yung ipang-off yung camera, ano man na? Gulo. Dito big. Tigasan? Ito nga nakas matuo or nakas ko? Asa mong karong? Okay, I will be recording it in case mga photo you already know your mistakes, why you have 44% similarity report. So I will be showing to you my screen for you to be able to see it also what I am telling. So let me know if my voice is clear, and let me know also if you can see anything on your screen from my screen. So parang we can now continue. Yeah, can you hear my voice clearly? Can you see the screen I have? I already shared it. Oh, may manok. Simula na yung manok ron. Pangihawon. Okay. So, klaro ra ba? Just comment, yes sir. Klaro ra ba kung tingog makikita ra ba mo sa ako ang screen? Kasi I already shared my screen to you. So, kung maklaro na, okay. Thank you. Okay, so your proposal is all about online grade inquiry system for Nurse Subay City Campus 1. Let me take note for you guys that if you will use Nurse Subay, you just use Nurse Subay City Campus. You now exclude 1 and 2. One campus lang ka. Nurse Subay City Campus. Okay, so let me read you the proposal. So by the way, before we proceed, may I ask what department is this? And also, what is the concerned department for this proposal? Is it from the registrar or from the dean's office? Kisa may nakahumuna na ni. Asa man siya included na department in nursery. Hello? In what department? Probably is this ang concern nyo na proposal? What? Hello? Hello? What department? It's only for the CAS department, or because in your title it's I thought that this is intended for all. So now what I am now, but my concern is what is the department now? If this is now will be take place, so asa siya na department you will going to store, or asa na department siya kinahanglan siya my choices is only the dean's office, dean's offices, or the registrar office. Okay, it's the registrar's office. No? I see it. It is now concerned with the registrar's office. Now my question is this: did you already contact with Sir Rosado with this idea? Who contacted with Sir Rosado? Yeah, it's okay naman to go to the campus as long as you have a valid reason. You can also contact with Sir Saldo through Facebook, through Messenger, or you can call him. I'll be giving him a number of Sir Saldo for you guys to contact with him for your proposal. Basically, this is in any research paper or the Capstone project. Manuhog ninyo ang background noise if maklaro ko yung dun. Probably hindi na. Okay. So namang goy mga koan. Namang goy mga other sectors here in Class 5. So now basically in going back to our discussion or our topic. So in every capstone project and research paper, you should, before you write anything in your proposal, you already meet the concerned department or the person or the staff working on it for you to really materialize and to get the entire concept of your proposal. So basically, this is just so wala nyo na-meet si Sir Saldo through phone or through face to face. So everything is just a level of only the level of as a student. So nakita ninyo na siya na side in every perspective as a student only. No, wala pa nyo nakuha, na-gain ang perspective sa teacher and the perspective of the staff. So kumbaga, it's only one-sided lang siya because you just think of it on the side of the student. So it is okay man because you know already the problems you encountered as a student. Ang kulang na lang is you are going to also consider the point of view of the registrar and the point of view of an instructor. So later on later you will no, I want you to revise this one and include also the perspective of this following personnel. First is the staff in the registrar office, probably in the name of Sir Saldo. And for the dean's office, the deans, you can also call Dr. Colomba because she is your OGT instructor, so you can also ask a favor to her about for your proposal as on her perspective as an instructor based on your proposal. And also for the instructor, probably you can ask me for my perspective also as an instructor. And also for the instructor, we have two kinds of instructor. We have a regular and part-time. So you can ask somebody in the department for example, Sir Yeba, Sir Ma'am Charis, Sir Julius, or anyone for you to na-close ninyo, or you're feel free to ask questions about the point of view about this proposal. Kasi lang nakita. Parang all of the point of views regarding with this one, we can really combine and really materialize. So kumbaga pa ba, one-sided man, at least okay ra kayo because the very concerned for this one is the student. But you must also consider the point of view of those some of the key users also in this proposal. Okay? So, any question? Atong i-proceed na. So, you know already why it is 1. There is a red level or it is having a red we call it colored text. It is because you get it from the internet. I want you to create with your own word because this is based on your problem. Okay, so next thing na inyo i-submit na ako na proposal, it should be 0 to 10% similarity. Okay ra ng 0 to 10% similarity. Pero karong 44 murag dili ni siya maayo, no? Kasi nanay ubay-ubay nang nakopya sa internet. So, pagka chapter 2, okay na siya. Nanay siya yung mga pula-pula for chapter 2 because it is related literature and all the literatures that you are going to mention are came from the internet. So that is why na siya pula-pula. Okay lang siya. But for chapter 1, everything in here is based on your solution, based on your observation, and based on your the idea that you materialize on your analysis and planning stage in software development. So all of these things that you introduced in your proposal is came from you. Dili siya gikan sa internet. You get my point? So, okay lang na ako 0 to 10% similarity for the proposal. Pero 44 to 10 to above is the big no for us. So, we will going to make it again and next time na will check it, it will be 0 to 10 similarity. Okay? So, to summarize everything because I know I will always everything off. So, I will no longer read it. It is because it is being highlighted. So, give me what is your plan, what is your point of view in making this online with system. What is the problem you're running into? Ano yung problem niyo ani? So for the okay, so you are enjoying with the new systems installed with the register. So karon sa bag-o, compare sa una way back in your first years na manual na gid ang submission of grades to this kind of scenario right now, na-lesser na gid ang problema. Pero nakita pa gid ninyo na napan si problema, you still solve. Especially karon sa pandemic. Na side. Atong inyuhang first second semester. Oh. Okay. So the setting for this one is on the pandemic na siya na scenario. Wala na siya atong setting face to face. Or if going back to the face to face is still the same problem going back to the pandemic. I-compare na to. Face to face with the new with the current system. Ito naman current system that you already enjoyed way back for the enrollment of first semester last year when you were a third year. Diba? So the registrar will print a load form put together with the grades you have you will going to get it from the college you belong. For example, since you are in the College of Arts and Sciences, you will get it with from Sergete. Pag kuha mo, you have already the grade. So, going back to the face-to-face, also may problema sa face-to-face. So, una is fair. Sa face-to-face ni siya, sa fair. So, may lain. Anong time consuming man? Kay mo travel pa ka from your own. So sa face to face time consuming. Kaya nga man unsa na senaryo? Na kay mag na kay atong face to face man mo sa room for sa school for you to enroll. So dili siya ingon na senaryo. Kay money man mo sa eskwelahan for you to enroll atong face to face. So getting a grade for so puro gyapon di mo ingananak time consuming. Less hassle, why? Hindi na mo magpila-pila? Sakto kay magpila pa man mo, fall in line for you to get the grades. At ato pa niya, sa face-to-face pa niya, So may lain, less hassle for you to fall in line. Kaya yung nanay online, you just go connected to the internet and you can just search at your face. Ano siya man? The staff lessen the responsibility of the staff of the staff to disseminate the form, no? So may lain, di ba? If in case you already printed the load form, then you have already NG man siguro to. You have an NG or INC, you have to go always to the register to update if naka-pass ba grado ang naka-try mo na, di ba? Naka-try mo na, wala. Muna ka na ganing inyong instructor ni-print na ang load form, wala lang siya na wala pa ka-submit o grado ang instructor. So, yung imo ang ma-remark dito is NG, no grade. So, musip pagbalik-balik sa register as a student to know if nakasubmit ba grado ang inyong teacher sa naka-load form. No? So, sa face-to-face, now, why I am asking it to you here is all the this nakita ninyo ng mga problema as a student level, you mentioned it in your proposal or wala? Did you mention it here? Guys, did you mention it? Everything you mention it, all the things that we talked earlier. Fair, time consuming, less hassle for pila, lessen responsibility of the staff, and so on and so during face to face. Did you mention it in your proposal? Wala. So muna, you want to you will going to think that your proposal, whatever that you are going to share, that you observe, that you already know, you're going to share it. Ayaw pag-mention mo, like for example, nag-install, nag-iwan na dahil mo dire. As you can see on the third paragraph, as observed, uh, as observed, North Bay City Campus 1 and 2 has no proper system that would beneficial by the students for inquiring their grades. Not just by the student, but also for the teacher, especially for the office of the registrar to lessen the manual work. So online, ni-introduce din mo ang system. Nawa mo kabulukon sa inyo ang solusyon. You just also highlight also the problems that you are going to solve. Or appealing kay siya ba as a proposal that you were going to highlight the needed or the problems that you are going to solve. Sa inyong way of doing it, you already proposed the system knowing what are the needed, what are the problems that they were going to solve. Ang kuha ninyo, ako ang imay, ako ang ipasabot ninyo. Na do not mention it directly. What is the capability of that system that you are going to propose? Dili ko na ma-amaze. Kaya nga no, I want it, what is the problem that really is the concern of the students, and I want it that every problem that you mentioned is there is a solution based of your proposal. So tanan yung na-observe na problem, inyo siyang gi-enumerate, inyo siyang gi-discuss, and every problem na imo ang gi-discuss, the solution is the system. Mo gina siya very in the context. You need to really discuss what are the problems, and also after the problems is the discussion of what is the system's capability. Kaya ni jump into ang mas capability sa system. And therefore din mo online or therefore din mo that this system is very usable. That is the nawa po kita ga-mention kung ano say problema. Get my point? Guys. So, if you get my point, tingog pud mo, sahalan pud mo. Nakuha wala. So, parang dili na mo maglisod sa purpose and description of the project. Because the purpose and description of the project is similarly, imo naman siyang gi-mention diri sa inyo into conceptual sa inyong project context, but you have to elaborate more here. What is the purpose? The purpose of this system ay blah blah blah, o sa to imo solve na to, o sa problema. Baka na-rate kag taman, baka explain kag taman, because you have direction. The purpose of your system is to solve the problem. By enumerating the problem, you know what are the particular solution of that particular problem. So you can narrate what is the purpose. No? Dili kay it stores the grades of the student. It is vague and this is general. No? Computer can store a grade without a system. With the help of the computer, you can store a grade. I want it to be specific. The problem is specific and the solution is specific. Drink a chance for you to, what is the purpose of your system. So what are the problems they have? That is what is your what will be your solution. Pwede rin maglisod. Am I correct? Or okay na ba? So pag-abot diri sa objectives of the study, you highlight what are your objectives, meaning what is your things to do for the system na ma-able to accomplish. Una, based anong imong purpose. If you have your purpose, that leads you to your objectives. You get connected mo ganun sila. Kung nakay purpose, tungod kay nakay problema na solbon. Now, karon, since na-state there is a purpose and description of the project, what are those objectives you have? To design an online resource that allows the students to access their grades to system. Also, inyo enumerate itong mga kinahanglan niyang buhaton. That is your objectives. Because if you aim the objectives, if you hit your objectives, that means your system is accomplished. This is the heart and soul of your system. Because that is your objective. Muna mong plano. Paras na siya to ang kinabuhi you guys. Sa imuhang pala context. Yung kang anong mas eskwela, anong kinanglan kang mas eskwela. So imong i-evaluate kinanglan ko mo eskwela kay wala may yuta, pobre may kinanglan ko na na puhon, ako sweldo, makapahit ko sa mga ganahan. Those are your contacts sa imong pag-eskwela. Then, what are your purpose? Kinahan ko na diba? My family, hindi na siya, for example, sa kuwap, akong purpose sa una is, tinaganahan kung si Papa na ako mag-graduate ka. Tanda mo na ko na siya. Namaman ko sa kuya. What's my purpose? My purpose is that one. Ang purpose is, mag-graduate ko para matabangan ako ang family. That is my purpose. Matabangan. So, akong gi-objectives na ako is, all it is kinanglan kong maningkamot. No? Ang purpose naman ako is, maman ako sa kuya. Ay maningkamot ko. No? To become a good student. So, that after na akong mahuman ako makalan ko og job so that makatabang ako sa kuang family. So everything is connected from purpose and objective. So objective is very specific. No. Objective is general guys, sorry guys. In general, pwede na siya 3 to 4 sakto ni. General na siya. Naka-specific naman ka sa purpose and description. Okay? Then the scope and limitation is the scope. Palihog na lang ko enumerate since the scope, since everything in your problem kung sa yung scope. I-scope lang nila. Kasi boundaries. You declare the boundaries as a photo. Okay, I will be checking it again. But I guess you are upon checking it. Gamay na lang yun ang inyong i-polish. Just remove the highlighted text. For you to remove it, you use your own words, not just on the internet. Okay? So, any question? Kasi gasan na ko ato sa Google Classroom. Kasi gasan na to si Lagini kay. Okay, sa project title, it is okay na siya, but you have to after this you need to get the point of view of the other staff and in also regarding with this one. So Mr. Saldo, si Ma'am Nights, ang pupuhon going to call me about my interview sa inyo sa among point of view.
Dili, sa kuha na sila
Ito man.
post, kanang muto.
Oo, di ba pagalikot ang mga nanay. Kuhaan pa kayo pakakit.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, December 31 is the deadline for the new proposal. Nakato na yung final. It is included with the katong point of view of those people that I mentioned, and also you incorporate those na you remove the highlighted text. You use your own words. Para pag-check na ko sulod na, it is lesser na. 0 to 10% lang. Dito 44%. Your task to be done is to improve your work, adding with the point of view of the instructors, and also stating there the everything that's really what is the problem. Ang kulang na is really the problem, the introduction of the problem, dili kay the solution. Always na lang. So, incorporate it. So, I will be putting it on a deadline at December 21. So, your grade for the proposal, the title is okay, it is final, it's good. Project context, since na ay mga pula-pula, I will make it 0 pa for now. Kaning purpose of description, objectives. Diba? Kaya wala ko man. Ato na ni i-improve na siya o niya cohort if na new project. Okay? So mo ni siya. So then the deadline is another, I will be making another classroom classwork for the new proposal. But to add on, deadline is the new proposal or the revised proposal. The deadline. Okay, the deadline of the revised proposal is on December 31, 2020. So, talk to Sir Saldo, Dr. Kalumpang, and me, regular, me or any regular instructor, regular and part-time instructor. Okay? So I will meet you guys next year for the checking of the new proposal, because it will the start of the we call it the vacation for the Christmas vacation will be December 19. So di naman ako maapas. Yeah, you are 18 groups to work with. So every day I have 3 schedule. Okay, because I have also a lot other subjects for me to work with. So December and next year you can meet for the checking of the new proposal. Okay, nasabtan? Nasabtan na ba?
Natawa na kami sa Nidino dito sa faculty ba? Kami rin magtatali.
Kung nasabtan, okay kayo. Thank you for listening, and I will be sharing the video I recorded today for you on my channel. So I'll be sharing the link for you. Then just subscribe it para ma-notify mo. Always mag-upload ko video. Any questions, concerns? Wala na concerns? Kung wala na, thank you for coming and joining. Everything, kasi may wala, absent, si Martinez na rin wala, no? Si Lagini na, si Montero na, si Balansag na. Ano di ay? Alas Martinez. Martinez, asa mo karon? Tingog. Wala ni Tingog. Mute mo niya noon. Di ka. Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, for joining. Hello. Ako nang i-present na. Okay. Very, pag amping ni day, kaya nagamang positive cases diya. Okay, so what any questions? Nasabtan ra, na inyo ra i-improve inyong trabaho. Kung wala na, I'll leave. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.
Dito ta?
Okay, bye-bye.